Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your Android phone on over to your Google Chromecast, and this is actually really easy. Just go to your Android phone and make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi. So just swipe on down and you got Wi-Fi right here. Now if you have two routers, make sure you're connecting to the same router that you use on your Chromecast. And then you should have an option under here called like Screen Mirror, Display Mirror, Cast, Smart View on Samsung. Just select this and your Chromecast should display under here. Mine says Timmy Chromecast. So let's just choose this and then go to Start Now, and it's going to automatically cast my screen onto my TV. So it's very simple if you do this method. Just make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi and you'll be Chromecasting in no time. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.